Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am lunasavescash and thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, and welcome to my channel, of course. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and I'm so happy that you're back and I really do appreciate you. But yes, so let's go ahead and get straight into the cash stuffing. Let me go ahead and count the money here. These are linked in my description. These are from Amazon. All right, so let me put my wallet in the side for a second. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. Oh, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80. 220, so 220. Plus 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 60. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have $830. So I'm going to go ahead and just place this on the cash tray and I will be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off with this. Oh no, we're gonna start off with my wallet, my bad, oops. So I do sell these wallets on my boutique, El Lunatique XO. And I also sell some other stuff there, so go ahead and check it out. And I also have an Etsy. It's all linked in the description box if you wanna go ahead and look for yourselves. So let's go ahead and get started with gas. Gas will be getting $20. So gas now has $20, $40, and $50. All right. And groceries is actually going to get 150. So we have 100, 20, 40, and a $10 bill. So now grocery has 1, 20, 40, 50. All right, my spending money, I spent it all last week. We did go out, by the way, if you did not watch my last video. I'm gonna put $20 in here. Oh no, I'm sorry, $5, because I did a lot of damage last week. Not me trying to put 20. And then my baby has $5 remaining. So, oops. I'm gonna leave that in here, and he's actually, I'm just gonna take out the 5 from here and put it aside for now. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in my wallet. The reason why I took out the 5, if you're new here, is because normally whenever he has rollover, my baby, I put it in his spending envelope. So this week I was gonna give him $5 regardless, so I'm just gonna leave it in the wallet and just take out the 5. But yeah, let's go ahead and start with this binder here. These ghost face trackers and envelopes are available on my Etsy or in my boutique, lunatiquexo.com, if you're interested. And so are these little savings envelopes here. All right, so for my savings, it's actually going to get $5. So I'm gonna cross out a $5 from the back here. So right here. And now my savings challenge has 50 and then 55, 60, 65 dollars. And these envelopes are also available on my website or in my Etsy. You guys can go ahead and check that out. So Bebe is gonna get $5, and this is for my baby's savings, and he currently has $900 in our checkings account, and now he has 50, 70, 90, 95, 100. So that just means that he officially hit $1,000, and that was the goal for this year. So I'm gonna put this in the bank as well. That way we can start fresh for the new year. I am going to get $10. I actually spent my money, so I only have like $1 left. How embarrassing. I'm gonna get $10, and now I have 11. I actually need to make some change because I know I'm gonna be needing some smaller denominations. 1 second. I'm going to see what I can do here. I'll just go ahead and switch these for a 10. Okay, that's all right. All right, so Amor is going to get $10. He has 10, so that means I'll just give him a $20 bill. He did use some money, which is why there's really nothing left. Now he has $20. Baby A, he wasted all of his money because I used it for the daycare enrollment. He's actually going to get $10 plus his $5 that he had in the wallet. So this is his spending money, and now he has 15. Okay, this has a name in the back. All right, car maintenance will be getting $5. So that is 20, 25, 30, $35. So I'm just gonna put this in here and grab a 10. So $35 in car maintenance. School is going to get $10. I still have not yet made a new envelope since I did rip it. $10 in school, and now school has, let's go ahead and try and count this. 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 30, 31. So $731 in school. I am giving payments currently in school, so I'm gonna stuff a little bit more next week. Family time is going to get, family time actually won't get anything, and it currently has $20. And this envelope in the back is for my lash tech course that I'm gonna take in January, and it currently has $1,000. So this is fully completed, fully stuffed, I guess. So moving on. All right, so onto this binder here. We're gonna go straight into Christmas. And Christmas has $80. All right guys, so I'm back. As I was saying, I'm gonna stuff Christmas, and it currently has $80. Christmas is going to get 105, so that is 20, 40, 60, 81. And then a $5 bill here. So now Christmas has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85. So 185. And that is all it's going to get. I'm not gonna stuff this anymore. I'm gonna go straight into clothing. I do owe clothing $30. Yeah, my baby's in the back, so don't mind him. I actually have it here, $33. So it's gonna get $10 for now. So yeah, moving on. My Discover is going to get $15. So that is 5, 10, 15. Let me see if I can make change here. 5, 10. Okay, I can add a 20. Now Discover has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 25, and 26. 226. Credit card will be getting $15. So that is 5, 10, 15. But I can actually give it a 20 now. Credit card now has 20, 40, $60. Actually, it's fine over here. 5, 10, 15, 20. I don't think I'll need change anymore. So credit card has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, $60, as I said. What, Papa? I already made a payment for subscriptions. It's going to get $15. So 5, 10, 15. All right, y'all. So for bills, I'm going to put $15, and I'm actually going to make a payment to my sister. I think I only owe her $90. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to double check. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now she has 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and $30 in bills. All right, so I'm actually going to take out $320, and this is going to go towards a payment that my husband's going to make. So I currently have the daycare payment that I'm going to make, and I'm going to put this here. $320 is for my husband, and then this 100 is going to be towards another payment that we have in March, I believe. So I'm just gonna put this here, and that is it for my cash stuffing. All right, guys, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I do apologize if this video was everywhere. You know, I have a child, so he's gonna be talking and doing whatever babies do in the background. But I really do appreciate you guys, and if you guys have not yet joined the giveaway that I'm doing, go ahead and watch my first December video. I will be giving out one of these wallets, but without the rings, and a few envelopes, and also there's gonna be 2 winners. But anyways, guys, I will see you guys next video. Okay, bye bye.